Welcome to the Geek Easy, fellow geeks. Let's open a beverage of your choice. Because today I'm doing a very quick unboxing. This just doorbell just rang and it was the postman. I know what this is. It is an eBay purchase. Got a good deal on it. Get this done because I'm about ready to go do my LCS and open and get my new comics for the week. Do this real quick. Packaged all real nice. Do this and head out. Opens in 25 minutes. Boom, boom, boom. Gotta make the noises when you do it. Alright. It's all still in plastic. It is the John Byrne Fantastic Four Omnibus #1. Still in the plastic. Got a pretty good deal. Okay. So here is the front. The spine with the little thing there. The back. Fantastic Four has always been called the world's greatest comic magazine. The evidence is found in these very pages. It collects, I should be wearing my glasses, Marvel Team Up 61-62. Marvel 2-in-1, number 75. Fantastic Four 209 through 218. Anyway. All of these. Even has, let's take this off. Here's the inside flaps. You have a little synopsis on this side and creators here. Okay, then this is sweet. Here is the front cover. And then here is the back. Have that as that. Okay, it's collecting Marvel Team Up number 61-62, Marvel 2-in-1 number 50, Fantastic Fours number 209 through 218, 220 through 221, 232 through 260, Annual number 17, Avengers number 233, and The Thing number 2. Here is the creative team. And table of contents. Goes all the way through the last book, which is Fantastic Four number 260. Starts on page 1058. So it's a good, almost 1100 pages. So, boom, it kicks off on Marvel Team Up number 61. That's it. And then, of course, it's got John Byrne art, John Byrne stories, which are always really good. this is going to be something I look forward to reading. Anyway, that's it. Just thought I'd show it to you. Let me get this done. I need to head out and go to my LCS. I should be doing a haul video for that here in a little bit. Anyway, what do you think? Do you enjoy the John Byrne run? Yeah, that was one of the runs I read of Fantastic Four, and it was really enjoyable. So I'm looking forward to digging into this and having some fun with it. But like, subscribe, and most of all, enjoy your comics.